2. The high-efficiency air-cooled chiller. The air-cooled chiller H-Series, with improved efficiency and functionality by several advanced technologies. This series, with the world's best standard A-type screw compressor and newly designed shell and tube heat exchanger that lack powerful cooling ability, low noise, low vibration, high efficiency and high reliability, is the perfect answer to all your needs. Features: enhanced lineup, up to 400 HP. High performance A-type screw compressor, precise capacity control technology, excellent control function, highly reliable shell and tube heat exchanger.